Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream jello. First, select your favorite gelatin flavor. You'll need one small package, typically 3 ounces. Next, measure out 1 cup of boiling water. This hot water is crucial for dissolving the gelatin completely. Finally, have 1 cup of cold milk or half and half ready. This cold liquid is what gives the jello its creamy texture. Let's get started with the mixing process. Now let's combine our ingredients. Carefully pour the gelatin powder into a medium-sized heat-proof bowl. Then, add the 1 cup of boiling water. Stir continuously for at least 2 minutes, or until all the gelatin crystals have completely dissolved. It's important to ensure no granules remain, as this affects the final texture. Once dissolved, set it aside to cool slightly before the next step. After dissolving the gelatin, let it cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes. It should still be warm but not scalding hot. This cooling step is vital before adding the dairy. Now, slowly whisk in the 1 cup of cold milk or half and half. The mixture will transform into a beautiful, opaque, creamy consistency. Once combined, pour it into your desired serving dishes or a single mold. Finally, it's time for the chilling process. Place your cream jello in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or until it is completely set and firm. For best results, overnight chilling is often recommended. Once firm, your delicious, creamy jello is ready to enjoy. It's a delightful treat for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other great deals you might love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.